If your Mercedes GLE is refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Over 70% of MBUX connection failures are actually caused by worn-out or non-certified lightning cables. The first step in any tech troubleshooting is a clean system restart. Follow these steps to perform a soft reset of your MBUX system without losing your personal settings. Double-check your physical connections, as the GLE has specific ports designated for data transfer. Sometimes the issue isn't the car at all, but a buried setting within your iPhone's security menu. Depending on your model year, your GLE might require a physical cable or a wireless handshake. As you can see, nearly half of all connection issues are solved simply by swapping out the USB cable. Forcing a fresh pairing can clear out corrupted cache files that prevent the system from launching. Always ensure both your phone and your Mercedes are running the latest software versions for compatibility. If none of these steps work, it may be time for a professional firmware flash at your local technician. I hope this got your maps back on screen. Safe driving, and I will see you in the next fix.